Guys, it's Minecraft Gamer here, and today we're gonna play. Let's see, what should we play? Agario? No. Let's play. Let's just play Smash the Road. Yeah, let's play Smash the Road. So, what the point of this game is, you're just running from polices with a car. You get cars, something like that. Like the snowman, like this cars I have. I have that car. I don't have these cars. I have another car, which is right. I have this car. I just got this car today. Oh, this car. I got this car. I got this car. I got this truck. Oh, and this car. But the car I'm going to use right now is... Oh, and I forgot. I have this car too, which looks amazing. I want to be one of these two. Yeah, let's just be this because I never play with this car. Yeah, come on. Let's just do it. Smash the road. Yeah. As I said, the point of this game is you run away from places with a car. Boom, let's go. You're going to just see the gameplay right now. Oh, no! Oh, wasted. Oh, look, another place following car. Get out. And if you fall to the water, you die. You're just not supposed to go to the water. No, let's just go. Boom, smash the place there. Oh no, we're about to die. Why did I smash the place? They're busted. So wasted means you got dead. And busted means the police, like, put you to jail. So, let's just do this. Ah, what is this? Why is it showing it up in my face? Get away! Why is it not getting away? Okay, now it's going. He's going so slow. Okay. What just happened? Why was he going so slow? Let's just try again if he was going to go slow now. Let's see. Smash the road. That's what it says. Just gotta wait. Let's press X. Just still wait. Okay, now he's going fast. Oh, I smashed the truck. Oh no. Don't hit the houses. Where's the places? Oh no. There's the place. Dun dun. Gotta run. This is a really fun game, gotta say. Like, it's an extreme game. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. Let's just do it again. Wait. Do that. Wah! No, get up! Get up! No! 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 Oh my god. Epic fail. Epic fail. Epic fail! That was so epic fail. Now let's play another game. Let's see here. Let's play. We're gonna play Turbo Dismount or Sister. I think Turbo Dismount. Yeah, Turbo Dismount. So yesterday I did a Turbo Dismount video, and today I'm gonna do a Smash Road and Turbo Dismount video. Turbo Dismount is actually a pretty fun game. Wait. Oh my god. This takes forever. Ah, the wall. Hit the wall now. Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna do the big game combo. Um, one, zero. Look at that. So we're just gonna add stuff in the game when we're just talking about this one. Let's do the okay. Oh, no, why is it not over there? Okay. This will be a table pad. And that place should be a table pad. No, that one should be a board pad. I never saw that. I'm just gonna see what it is. Ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's just throw the pop. Ah! Yeah! Let him. He's like, let's just do this. That's not going. Go. Ah! He's like, no! Cool. Ah! Ah! Where is he falling? Oh! Look at that! Could you see him? He's right there. Yeah! New high score, bro! Awesome! Now let's do another pass. Oh, he's behind me this way. No. He's still inside. Oh yeah, let's do this. Ah! He's like, no! Ah! Oh! Oh my god, this is pretty awesome game. Must download it. Let's do another pause. Nope. Wait, what was he just doing last time? Okay. Let's do another pause. You know what pause we should do? Ah. We should do the... Yeah, let's do this pause. He's going super slow. I made him go very slow. Look at his head. He's like, oh my god, he breaks his leg. Ah. I'm gonna see he breaks his hand. No! Okay. This time, let's just get brake pad, make it into a turbo pad. Ready. Oh, we make him go slow. Oh, the turbo pad makes him go fast, and then it... Look at his face. He's like, look at my face. Oh! He broke his hand. Look at that. He's right there. Oh. New high school, bro. That was it for Smashy Road and Turbo Dismount.